Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we're taking a look at not one, but two Infinix devices. This is our first look at the Infinix Note 40 Pro and Note 40 Pro 5G. Aside from unboxing these two phones, we're also gonna take a look at them side by side, see what the differences are between these two devices, and of course, a quick camera tour and some sample shots. Let's go. So here are the two phones side by side, the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 40 Pro. Now really, when it comes to looks, these two phones sort of look identical. They also come in the green and the yellow. Up top, you have the JBL branding, almost exactly, if not exactly the same camera module. Again, these phones are repping the same cameras front and back. On the sides, you have the same volume rocker, power button. The bottom gives you speakers, USB-C charging port, and the same SIM slot. And the clean other side, they feel the same, except of course we have the two different colors, and this color gives you that sort of vegan leather back texture. So mostly the difference between these two phones lie in the processor. This is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7020 and this is powered by a Helio G99 Ultimate. One is 5G and the other isn't. There are a few other slight differences, like for example, the 5G version comes with 256 gig storage and a memory of 8 gig, while the non-5G version has 256 gig storage, but an option of 12 or 8 gig when it comes to RAM. Both phones have 5000 mAh battery, but the non-5G device can do a 70 watt wired charging, whereas the 5G version can only do 45 watt. That basically means you have a faster wired charging time on the non-5G phone. Both phones though have the same charging speeds when it comes to wireless charging, which both phones can do. Another little thing, this is IP53 dust and water resistant and this is IP54. In general though, when it comes to these two phones, I think the main consideration would be if you want a 5G device or you're okay with waiting it out. Now, if you watched my launch coverage for the Infinix Note 40 series devices, you'd know that they launched a lot of Note 40 devices. One of them being the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, which I already have a video up on the channel. But really quickly, I also wanted to show you guys the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus Racing Edition device. It looks so good. Right, really quick camera tour time, and we have 1x, 3x, up until 10x on this. Let's focus on the phone. There we go. And up top you have settings, flash settings. You also have 108 megapixel mode for this, AI, ratio, and of course your other filters. On the right you get a portrait mode and you can zoom in up until 2x. There is no wide. Here, it gives you AI smart body, and you can also adjust. You also get aperture settings, so you can blur the background on here and toggle that. And then you have a super night mode, which can do 1x, 3x up until 10x. Hello. And then under more, you have slow motion, time-lapse, dual video, short video mode. What is Sky Shop? Ooh, it basically will edit the sky in your photos. You also get a panorama mode, a super macro mode, documents, and an AR shot. On the other side, you get video, and you can do up until 2K 30 FPS. There's a 1080p 60 FPS as well, and you can do 1x up until 3x. Ooh, and even 10x. Now you can add filters or frames. That's interesting. Vignettes. And then over here, you can also adjust aperture settings live on video. What is this? Ooh, video enhancement. And then you also get the same editing features. Now, you get a film mode, which, ooh, interesting. So it's basically one of those modes that allow you to shoot really easily and stitch together a video based on a template. Now, let's see selfies on videos. There is a steady mode, and then you can also shoot up until 2K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS. You get an ultimate video enhancement mode. There are different filters. You get the same aperture settings. You get the beauty effects. You get a photo. Can do a little wider. And then your portrait mode, super night mode, and more. Let's get to some sample shots. And that was our first look at the Infinix Note 40 Pro and Note 40 Pro 5G. Let me know what you guys think. If you're curious about the other phones that were released with these two devices, I also have videos on the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. I'll link it up here and down below. Let me know what you think. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.